Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Generally speaking, you'll find some of the cheapest selections at Walmart and Discount Tire Direct. However, Sam's Club, BJ's Tire Center and Costco offer some of the best overall tire buying experiences, including low average prices, free services and convenience.
Take our lead.
You have to bring your vehicle to a Costco tire center to get your tires installed. In Consumer Reports survey, Costco scored only good on selection, waiting area and installation time. It scored very good to excellent in the other 4 categories.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
One of the other reasons why they can sell tires so cheap is that they have the tire manufacturers make lesser quality tires especially for them but keep the same tread pattern and name as their non-Walmart tire counterparts.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
According to Cost Helper, a standard, all-season tire costs between $50 and $200 each with an average price of $80 to $150. For a pickup truck or SUV, drivers may pay $50 to $350, with an average cost of about $100 to $250. Several variables determine the cost of new tires, including the tire's brand and size.
Take our lead.
New car dealerships may not seem to be the optimum place to go unless you are looking to replace your tires with the exact original equipment OE type found on your car. However, that is changing. If you are looking for ones like the ones on my car, it's worth getting a quote from your local dealership.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Shoppers can find cheap tires online that a local store might price match. Don't worry about delivery. Tires ship directly to an installer. It may sound surprising, but buying tires online simplifies the shopping process and will likely save you money.
Take our lead.
Is your car an all-wheel drive AWD? If so, most vehicle manufacturers and the Tire Industry Association (TIA) recommend that you always replace all 4 tires at the same time. That's because the reduced diameter of the lower tread tires causes them to spin faster than the new one.
Take our lead.
Costco offers a 5-year road hazard guarantee and lifetime maintenance, including free tire balancing and flat repairs. If cost is your major concern and you like the idea of saving some extra pennies with nitrogen in your tires, Costco might be your best bet. But be prepared to wait.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.